I'm going to show you how you make this glitch effect with footage. It's super simple, there's millions of ways to do it, and I'm just going to show you the quickest way I know. So first you want to import your footage, create a composition, check your settings, and I've named mine master. Put your footage inside this composition and go to Layer, New, Solid. Check your settings, and I'm calling this background. Find the fractal noise effect and drop it on over the solid. Now you want to click Basic and scroll to Dynamic and click Soft Linear and go to Block. Pull down the Transform menu, unclick Uniform Scaling, and then you want to expand the width really far. The goal is to make fuzzy lines, so adjust the height as well. Play around with these until you're happy, then click on your solid layer and pre-compose it. I've named this pre-comp background. Make sure you move all the attributes into the new composition and press OK. Go back to your master comp, put your pre-comp below your footage, click your footage and find the displacement map effect. Then you want to animate these two keyframes here. Move your current time indicator to roughly where you want your glitches to be. Set these two keyframes. I like to work within the timeline, so I set the keyframes at 0. Move the current time indicator along one frame, and then I move the values. And now you can see the background layer underneath. I move the current time indicator along one more frame and set it to 0. To make it a little bit longer, I move the last keyframes over one frame, and I make the keyframes with the values on more extreme. I then highlight all the keyframes and copy and paste. And then I paste again a little bit later on. And again I change the value of the middle keyframes, but I make them less extreme. And I'm going to copy them and paste them, and this time I'm going to paste them close together. Actually, I'm going to change the middle keyframes to be more extreme. Change a few settings in the middle keyframe. Just add and take away as many keyframes as you need to get the desired effect. Keep playing, keep twiddling. Now, a quick tip, what you can do, you can go up to the displacement map and pull down to pre-comp background. This changes the glitch effect, it makes it more smooth, and it uses the background. It's complete and utter personal choice, whether you use the background or you don't. But again, keep playing, keep twiddling, till you get the results that you want. And there we go, I promised it would be super simple again. Bing bang bosh tutorial. See you next time, bye!